Hello there! Today we are going to tackle the issue of gradable and non-gradable adjectives. Maybe you are asking what they are. Well, follow my video to find out. First of all, let's have a look at gradable adjectives. They describe qualities that can change in strength. For example, hot, cold, big, and happy. We can make them stronger or weaker. For example, we could say, very hot, quite big, a little cold. However, non-gradable adjectives describe qualities that are already at the highest or lowest level. For example, excellent, impossible, freezing, and perfect. We don't usually say very perfect or very freezing. Instead, we use words like absolutely perfect, completely impossible, really freezing. Remember, gradable adjectives use very, quite, a little. Non-gradable adjectives use absolutely, completely, really, totally. I hope you have found this video useful for understanding our language. Have a nice day and thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye!